bafethu Kaizer Chiefs, Yusuf Maart, center mid, Kaizer Chiefs. Umchita last weekend, umchita be out of character, kangadlala eGrand. But ke funny enough ngoku le video siyenza for uba umchita simnike credit angiqhelanga ukufumana umchita. As much as okay kangadlala eGrand last weekend, but umchita I think kufuneka athole i-credit ayideservayo bekade ngihlele ngayifumana isikhathi esininzi. Utwim la player and singcola ngalo way ngokuba intoni umchita emenza special, emenza different. Before singene apho if yaqala udibana channel ngale content ngicela ucofe usubscribe. So uMaart umchita i1 yona super quality yanayo, and ayo super quality nje le ke mhlawumbe noba ezinye i-quality zakho umchita ngikwazi ufumana kwezinye players, but i1 way that ngonokwazi uyithatha from yena umchita left weaker foot yakhe like kwenye levels like lawo yithiwa left and right ke umchita like pass uzayikhulula nge-left, and even say medium pass when say long range pass nge-left umchita obviously yakwazi ngishaya nelaweni short ngala left yakhe sesimbona umchita, and wenza lo way as a center mid dangerous umchita. And ungaya kwezinye team futhi ungajonga like some of the top center mids abese zimbalwa like bona ezikhaba left and right. Ke strong top team lawe top team Sundowns much like gale send apha bibangu Alende ngoku because ulawe mukwena masohlala as a 6 then gale Alende as an 8. Alende umchita ulawe tactically kwenye level and clean, but cover left and right as much as uMaart and then nomkhulise isub yakhe usiphelele umkhulise eyenze way yakhe umchita, but asikamboni ebonisa ipower left yakhe. Siye team number 3 in team top, both staying with Sundowns, even Pakistan Sundowns like kuzojonga ulawe tsotsi buyayithanda great ngabantu uSipho Mbule Mbule, but say light kuMaart in terms of okay mawazi so you cover left and right umchita. Then say kwenye penye team sisonye team at top like ilanduza Super Sport United, isenda Super Sport United ulawe Grant Magama, and yakwazi uSpanisa left yakhe ke umchita Grant, but ayikho ke level kaMaart, but yakwazi uSpanisa like yabona singatsho ke enye ze players like bona eziki esondeleke level ka Yusuf Maart, because bona so Grant score ne goals on left yakhe umchita. Richards Bay ulawe dlala landuza pha April Mabaso plus no plus uzungu left footer, so like right yakhe akekho right. April Mabaso khabanga right, and then ayikabikho level le high if ilawe left foot yakhe. Epenye ezinye teams pa top Orlando Pirates, I think we're number 4 Pirates. Pirates ilawe okay number 6 abamfundela number 6 man, because uMaart akadlala number 6 udlala number 8 uMaart, so ningacingi nithi ba 10 ngathi ngo-team kwenye ngimonari number 6 awuthela ngo-8 10, and Pirates 8 by 2 sometimes by 3 ulawe uGoodwin Mosele ubuyile last weekend ubuyile right car akekho left ulanduza uNdlondlo Boza, but ukhona left Connix Makaringe Mnandi ukhona left Connix Joe. So Yusuf Maart machita yekele wiba okay Chiefs adlala iGrand Chiefs I told results mchita sooner or later mhlawumbe noba le win ndithetha like way before time, sooner or later abantu abaninzi bazoqala uyibona bayise uMaart yajonga kwenye level emfethu, ba ukusengwazi ula we se deliver some movie ball nge left na nge right, short, medium, long, shoota especially jo. Otherwise ngicanga ndoni namachita cafana umat ngemoverate okanye isikoko. Cela ninxele lapha kwi-comments bafethu. Otherwise cela nicofe usubscribe kule channel. I-content ne-videos ikhona everyday. Sure bafethu.